Hello, my beautiful lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. This is Hillary with Hillary's Happy Nails, and today we're playing with SheModern. We have a giveaway, and I have to let you know that sadly this is the last giveaway. The SheModern website no longer is offering sponsorships, so this is from last month, but I requested it at the end of the month, and they did still send it. So I have this for you today to show you, and I have a package to send your way. So the drawing for the prize, which is chrome white, green metallic chrome powder, and their clear nonstick mat. So you'll get all three of these. I'm going to do the drawing on the 15th of March, and I'm going to do the drawing at 12 o'clock. So if you're interested in winning this, type the word green into the comment section and stay tuned for the giveaway on the 15th at noon. And that's when I will announce the winner. So now that we've got the logistics out of the way, we're going to move our stuff around, and I'm going to show you what I have here. What I did was I painted several nails already with gel paint. So I did a base coat. I did black, white, purple, and pink. Oh, these are still tacky, so I have to be careful not to touch them. So I did a base coat, and then I did the polish layer, but I did not do anything else. So the inhibition layer is still here. So the first thing we're going to do, the first step, is we're going to take the clear nonstick mat, and we're going to paint this on all of the nails. And then we're going to cure it in the light for 60 seconds. And this is going to help protect the base coat from the chrome sticking to it. So we'll just paint each of these very quickly. And for these nails, I did use my gel asp nail polish that I got from Sally's. Used to be Sally's Beauty Supply, but now it's just Sally's. And I'm going to cure these under the light for 1 minute, and I will see you when I get back. All right, these are cured and they are matte. You can see that these did change to matte with that top coat that we just put on. So now I figure, since it is St. Patrick's Day, we'll use some, well, it's almost St. Patrick's Day. We'll use some St. Patrick's Day plates. I thought that would be really fun. So these are what we've got to work with. So let's go for some shamrocks. I think that'll be good. Let's see what happens here. Chrome white, and I have my stamper ready. So I've got my stamper and my scraper card. Let's see if this works or if it's going to be a negative image, and that's not what I want. So we'll just scrape. I think this is going to be a negative image. It is. That's not exactly what I want. I want something that is going to be the shamrocks on the nail in green. So let me look here. Not those. Aha. I think our best bet is going to be this one here, to be totally honest. So let me clean the stamper off and clean the plate off. Okay, so with the magic of movies, I've cleaned this off. I'm going to stamp this image here instead. And possibly the St. Patrick's Day, this one here too. So let us scrape. Ooh. And stamp. And we did get a good pickup with that. So I will clean around the edges. Because it does say to let it sit for a second on the stamper because it's very sticky. So we'll do this on the black. And we'll just go straight down onto the nail. And there we go. Some cute little shamrocks. And for the next one, I'm going to do this image here. And we will scrape. And we will do a pickup. And I'm going to do this on the white nail because I want to see what happens with the white on white with the green. So we'll do that. It's the green chrome. Perfect. And now with the purple, let's see what we can use. Let's use this image here. So let's clean this plate real quick. Easy pickup, very good. Clean up the mess around the edges. And we'll do this on the purple. Ooh, there we go. And we will go straight down onto the purple. Alrighty, we switched plates and I'm gonna do this image here over the pink. Scrape a card. And that was a beautiful pickup with this gel polish. Sorry, I can't get the tape off myself. There we go. There we go. So all of these stamped beautifully. I'm going to put them in the light to cure for 1 minute. All right, we're back and these have cured for 1 minute in the light. And now we're ready to tackle our green chrome. And I have a little dish to put my green chrome in so we don't waste any, because you don't need a lot. I've learned that from previous mistakes. And I think that should be plenty. And you can see I barely even touched anything in the bottle. The bottle is still basically full. So we may need a little bit more, but I don't think we will. So I have a makeup sponge, an eyebrow sponge, Jeez Louise, Hillary, I don't wear makeup very often. Eyelid makeup sponge. And I'm going to get that on here. And let's see if I can zoom you in so you can see a little bit better. And we're just going to gently rub this onto that white chrome. And we have an absolutely stunning nail. Look at how shiny that is. Let me brush off any excess so we can really see it good. There we are. Those shamrocks turned out gorgeous on there. So that was nail number 1 with the black background. Now we have nail number 2 with the white background. And we're just once again going to gently rub this onto the nail, and you can see the design magically appear. That is so fun. And let me brush this one off so you can see it clearly. And there we have that gorgeous St. Patrick's Day. Absolutely stunning. So there it is over the white, and now we're going to do it over the purple. I thought purple would be an interesting color to put it on top of, just to see, because they're kind of complementary colors, green and purple. So this one was a pretty opaque image, and it did cover up most of the purple background, but you can see what it looks like. It's super duper shiny. Try to get it in the light. There we go. That chrome is chroming. How pretty is that? And then last but not least, we have our pink nail. And there, see, we've used up pretty much all of our green, just a little bit left over, so we didn't really waste too much, which I feel good about. Oh, this looks so cute. Brush that on there and then brush off the excess. And there you have it over a pink. How pretty is that? That turned out super cute. These all turned out really beautiful. So we have our clovers over our shamrocks rather, over our black. We have Happy St. Patrick's Day over our white. We have the Celtic knot over the purple. And we have the shamrocks in the design over the pink. So now I'm going to use a no wipe top coat from Ass. But once again, I did get this from Sally's Beauty. We'll move this out of the way. Put that back with in its holder. And now we're going to top coat these. And that's really going to bring out the shine even more once we top coat it. Nice, thick, glossy top coat. These turned out so pretty and so fun. So don't forget, the giveaway is on the 15th of March at noon. If you want to be entered to win enter the word green for the metallic chrome. So just the word green. And I will pick a winner on the 15th. So I hope everybody has had fun watching me make these nails. These were super easy to do and super fun. So don't be overwhelmed or scared to use this, because it's super easy and it's just absolutely beautiful. So if you haven't already, please make sure to like and subscribe. You know I love it when you do that. And if you can, make sure to hype this video. I'm about 5 people away from hitting 500 if I haven't already. So I'm trying to hit that goal. And so I will see you in the next one. Bye.